Hi everyone, this is Arat from English for Everyone, and in this video I'm going to talk about old thumbs. Okay, we've got one thumb and four fingers in a hand. Imagine you've got five thumbs in your hand. What will happen? Well, if you have five thumbs in your hand, then holding things will be difficult and you will drop things. You won't be able to do things like threading needles or lots of other things, okay? So things that you need to be very, skillfully do them. Imagine you do not have your index finger and rather than that, instead of that, you've got a thumb over here. So it is very difficult, like a monkey's hand. When you have short thumbs over here, so holding things is difficult. You will break things, you will drop things. These kind of things would happen, okay? Of course, it's not possible, and we've got this, not thumbs only, but if we would have, that would be the result. There are some people that are always like this. They drop things, they can't do things properly. When you ask them to do something, to help you to do something, then they mess it up and you have to redo it and you have to work on their mess as well. So it makes you work harder, more, rather than being helped, rather than having something being done out of your way. You've more than one thing to do now. So in these cases, we call those people as old thumbs. We say he is old thumbs. Means he breaks things, he drops things, he can't do things right. Or I might use it for myself. I say, I am all thumbs today. Means I can't do things today properly. Maybe I'm shaking or something like this. I don't know what's wrong with me today, but I can't do things right. Then I say, I am all thumbs today. I have broken a couple of things. I have dropped a couple of things. And this is my situation. So I call myself old thumbs. Okay? So old thumbs in English means one that is clumsy, can't hold things, maybe. Okay, so now let's look at examples and it will be more clear. Paul Bob can't play the piano at all. He is old thumbs. Okay, if someone has got five thumbs in a hand, then playing the piano would be a very difficult task to do. So a person can't do that, not because of the format of the fingers or thumb or having five thumbs, but the person can't do this. And then we say this person is old thumbs, okay, because he can't do this. So if someone can't do things, especially using their hands, we might call them old thumbs. Mary is old thumbs when it comes to gardening. Maybe Mary is a very skillful archer, or I don't know, a painter, I don't know, maybe skillful pianist, maybe. But when it comes to gardening, she is all thumbs. She can't do anything in this area, okay? In this area, she is like kids, and she drops things. Then we call her all thumbs when it comes to gardening, okay? So you can say, I am all thumbs when it comes to painting. She is all thumbs when it comes to playing the piano or other things. Okay, so that's another thing. And over here, can you thread the needle for me? I'm all thumbs today. So you've got a needle, very small hole over there, and you need to thread it. So you can't do it. You drop the needle. You go. The thread is over here. You go that way or this way. You can't finish it. So you're asking someone to do that, and you call yourself old thumbs. Okay, you've got old thumbs in your hand, and you can't complete it. It means when you, it doesn't really mean that you've got five thumbs. Okay, but means I can't do this, or the person can't do this thing, this task properly. Okay, in these cases, when we know someone that is like this, we might call them. That might call them old thumbs, or say the person is old thumbs. So that is to be old thumbs, okay? Is old thumbs, am old thumbs, are old thumbs, or anything like this. Okay, I hope this has been helpful. You got something from this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.